Hi, this is Medical Computing Product Manager, CH.
Luke Jackson. We will going to introduce PLC medical computer with iHospital solutions. Now let's welcome CH.
Medical computing product adopt the latest computing platform to support applications in medical specialty. Our medical products have medical safety certificate and are widely used in hospital, healthcare industry, and the medical equipment makers to provide reliable computing power to enhance the working efficiency. For POC medical panel PC product series, POC 4 is using Intel 12th generation CPU for clinical environment. POC 6 is using Intel 11th generation CPU for OR ICU and the medical equipment integrator with patient data management system. Both POC 4 and POC 6 are fabless design with IP54 water and dust resistance, and they are the right product using in healthcare industry. POC 8 is high computing power panel PC and can select NVIDIA Mobile PCIe Express module for Edge AI application. For USM Medical Box PC product series, USM 100H is using Intel 12th generation CPU for hospital workstation and the medical devices integration. USM 500 series is high computing power bus PC, which can install powerful NVIDIA GPU and AI card for medical image rendering and the data learning to support medical decision making. Next, Advantech iHospital Solution Product Manager Jackson will introduce how to leverage medical computing products to provide the best healthcare solution to healthcare workers.
Thanks, CH. Now we know that Advantech PLC is such a high-performance all-in-one computer, which can use it for a lot of applications. Now it's time to move on to introduce our excellent software, iVideOR Solutions. iVideOR Solution provides both nursing care, patient service. Nursing professionals and managers can really focus on their jobs. We offer an overview of all status and patient real-time information, and we offer a worklist or review, such as treatment plans, patient use, medication information, and notifications of each patient, which highly help hospital to prepare the impacts of the high nurse-to-patient ratio. And iVideOR is not missing the patient parts. We do care the patient rights and services. Thus, we offer patient information, patient education, and the various services. Now let's go to iVideOR Solutions. iVideOR Solutions is based on PLC series with a capture card, which can provide a quick solution for recording. You can use it for specific clinic, like a bone clinic or dentist, which can provide surgery information, recording, snapshot, and we also provide the DICOM format. It's a very intuitive design for every user to hands-on. It's our today's introduction. We always welcome you to find us for more information. Thank you.